Hey, Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's January 20th, Tuesday. That's my brother's birthday as well as mine, and if I sound particularly happy right now, it's because my significant other is rubbing my back while I'm doing this, so that's probably more information than you needed to know, probably more than you wanted to. Anyway, I wanted to get to Priceline here and talk about this 3-day rule. The 3-day rule, it's actually a 3-day rule of thumb. It's not hard and fast, but when reversal conditions happen, typically they only last 2 days. Like here would be a great example. A big move up on one day, and then a big move up on the next day, and then no follow through after that. You know, we say a big move down here, and you could say, well, what about this stuff? Dude, those aren't big moves, okay? I'm talking about this. A big move down here, another move down here, like a gap down. The following day, oops, let's go the other way. Even here, a big move up, a big move up. Now, ultimately, this one went higher, but on the third day, you just didn't really get that follow through. We did get follow through over the next few days, but what I'm saying is typically these moves happen over 2 days. Now, why am I making a big deal out of this? Like, what's such a big deal about this? Okay, well, first of all, full disclosure, I'm short Priceline and I'm not happy about this little move. How's that? But here's why I'm short Priceline. Okay, this stock has been in a really interesting and kind of obvious topping pattern. The 40-week or 200-day moving average right there, support. Now, right here, resistance. So this is, you know, it's kind of a textbook. Is this consolidation or is this a top? If it continued like right up there for a while, we'd have to say, hey, you know, maybe this is just consolidation and we're going to get higher prices from this stock. Well, guess what? That's not what happened. Instead, the stock is consolidating down here. It's consolidating down here, and it's just kind of rolling over. Also, I get the thesis. These guys have a lot of their business over in Europe. Go check out the euro. The last time I saw that, it was trending straight down to zero, it seemed like. So I understand why this stock is selling off, and it could go lower. They announce earnings in about a month from now, like February 18th to 23rd is when it's estimated, and this is just on Yahoo Finance. So the stock has more room to pull back. I'm just mentioning, I'm wanting to take you here for a reason. Because if you're looking to buy this stock tomorrow, just know that you're kind of betting against, you're betting against the trend, you're betting against the rule of thumb, you're betting against the prevailing trend of the stock. Instead, what I would suggest doing is watch the stock. You know, look, if it starts moving up, go ahead and buy it. You know, I mean, I didn't corner the market on being right. I'm just remarking on this chart. If the stock keeps going up, great. Hopefully it will, because at one time or another, the stock's going to start rolling over. And when it does start rolling over, then you want to go ahead and short that stock. Don't buy it. And then you put a buy stop right above where the stock peaked at. Then if the stock does start moving around and going up again, you get stopped out with a small loss right here. That's how you want to be trading this stock. You can go ahead and buy it now if you want, and you may be right. However, the trend that I'm seeing really kind of tells me that you're probably more likely to be wrong. So anyway, that's it for this chart of the day. Members, get over to the strategy session. The market's kind of stinking right now. There's just not a lot of signal, just a lot of noise. But there are some really good stocks that we need to be buying and shorting. So I go over some of those tonight.